In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart with the top 5 and top 6 to 10 subcategories in Tableau. This task can be a dynamic way to visualize data distribution and spotlight specific segments of your analysis. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Tableau public app. If you're new to Tableau, you can easily download and install it from the Tableau website. Once installed, launch the app and you'll be all set to bring your data to life. After you've opened Tableau Public, access your worksheet. If you've already got a workbook ready, go ahead and open it. If not, create a new one and load your data source. We'll be working with sales data, so make sure your dataset contains relevant fields like sales and subcategories. Now, you'll drag the sales field onto the text mark on your worksheet. This allows Tableau to visualize your sales figures as text data, laying the groundwork for the chart transformation we'll make shortly. Once the sales data is in place, change your chart type to a pie chart. In Tableau, this can be done by navigating to the Show Me panel and selecting the pie chart option. This graphical transformation is crucial as it sets the visual framework to begin dividing your data into segments. Following this, adjust your view setting to entire view. This step will scale the pie chart to fit your entire workspace, offering a clearer and comprehensive view of every segment. The next step is to add some color. Drag the subcategory field to the color card on the marks card. This action enhances the differentiation between each subcategory, adding a layer of visual distinction that makes your pie chart more intuitive and easy to interpret. Now, take the sales field and drag it onto the size card. With this, the size of each segment in the pie chart will dynamically adjust according to the sales figures, visually emphasizing the varying magnitudes of sales across different subcategories. For the next few steps, we'll focus on creating sets. Click on the subcategory drop-down arrow, go to Create, and select Set. Name this set Top 5 and navigate to the Top tab. Here, you'll configure it by field, setting it to the top 5. Once done, click OK. Repeat these actions, naming the next one top 6 to 10, and remembering to adjust the settings to capture the top 6 to 10 instead of just top 5. Next up, create a calculated field. Click on any drop-down arrow, select Create Calculated Field, then give it a name and enter your desired query. This calculated field will serve as a significant data processing tool, helping you to generate insights that can be showcased in your pie chart. Finally, drag this newly created calculated field to the color card. By doing so, you'll further enhance your dataset's visualization, allowing for an even more refined pie chart that distinctly outlines subcategory disparities. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted a sophisticated Tableau pie chart that spotlights both the top 5 and the top 6 to 10 subcategories in your sales data. With these skills, you're well on your way to producing insightful visual analyses that can effectively help in decision-making processes.